Hey guys, welcome to PSY 428 Introduction to Clinical Psychology. I am Gail Sabo and I'm going to be your facilitator for this course, and I am super excited to have you here with us. This is one of my favorite classes. I've worked in the field for over 30 years working with children and families that are in need of different services, so I have a big array of experience there, but I've also worked with so many amazing clinicians that have come up underneath me over the years. So I love being able to be part of helping you guys better understand clinical psychology and maybe ignite some of that passion that you're going to use in your careers as well. So this course is a really fun one. It's got a lot of really practical and applicable skills. So I always love classes where you can relate to them. You can go, oh, that makes good sense. I can see why we're going to use that. And whether or not you're going to be a clinician in your future or not, many of you may be going into a master's program. Hopefully I'll see you there. But either whether you're going to use that or not, or maybe you're going to go a different direction, there's good stuff in this class no matter what. Some really good practical skills and better understanding, because the reality is 1 in 5 people at any given time is suffering from some sort of a mental health disorder. So having that understanding will help us to be better and more supportive to those around us that might need our additional support, or maybe even ourselves as we go through different struggles in our lives. So I'm excited to get started with you. We're going to be doing a lot of fantastic stuff with this class. We're going to be looking and gaining a better understanding of what clinical psychology actually is. And how is that different than other areas like forensic psychology or cognitive psychology or developmental psychology? So we're going to take a look at that. We're going to look at some of the evaluation tools that we use and assessments and how we could take the lessons and apply them into a real work scenario. So you'll see one of our assignments is to interview somebody in the field. What is it like to be somebody working in the field? I do suggest, while that is a final project, that you get started on that way early. Find your clinician, because sometimes it's hard to find somebody, and at least get that interview scheduled, if not completed, and then you can finish it up as you go through. You do not want to wait until the last 3 days and then hope you find somebody and not get those points. So something to keep in mind there for that final project. If you don't look ahead, usually this is a class where you're going to want to do that. And we're also going to look at some things like the cultural and ethical issues that may be faced by a clinician or somebody in the field, and finally the different types and methods in which we practice. So again, a lot of really great applicable stuff. I'm looking forward to getting started and excited to be here with you. And as always, if you have any questions or you get stuck along the way, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to help, and I'm happy to be part of your journey to success. Welcome aboard, everybody.